This is Masking Magic from Gina K. It's about the thickness of printer paper. It's like a sticker that has a post-it note tackiness to it, so it's really easy to peel off. It has the feel of vellum or parchment paper, and it's really easy to die cut or fussy cut to mask an area off on your project. In this case, I'm stamping an image, I'm going to fussy cut it, and then I'm going to use it to mask off the butterfly for when I use some color sprays or when I stamp and emboss over top of my card background. Because of the thinness of it, I find if you use it to mask off an area and then stamp over top of it, you don't get as much of that halo effect that you get if you're using a thicker cardstock or a thicker paper to mask off an area. And it's also much easier to work with than, say, a masking fluid that you would have to wait to dry. Once you have it over the area that you're wanting to mask, you can easily use ink blending tools to ink blend around that area, and you can also use colored sprays. If you use colored sprays, though, you won't really be able to reuse the mask again for future projects, but if you use an ink or ink blending tools, I find that I like to save my pieces and just put them within a piece of folded cardstock to use for future projects. And because of the post-it note type backing, it's very easy to get off. This is an awesome product. I highly recommend it.